Hello, and welcome to the lesson Tableau Interface. My name is Daniel, and I'm a product consultant for Tableau software. For the last 5 years, I've been working exclusively on project development for Tableau. I'm here to guide you through the course. To say I'm eager to talk to you about Tableau would be putting it mildly. This amazing software has helped me immensely in making quick business decisions as it analyzes tons of data in seconds, is easy to use, helps create rich visualizations, helps users connect directly to data warehouses and databases, and enables sharing of the results live. In this session, I'll present a number of different scenarios which will give you a good grasp of Tableau, understanding that it is good enough to teach you how to use all its features and capabilities to your advantage. You want to create creative and elegant solutions to improve business performance, don't you? Then, let me tell you why you should take this course by beginning with a scenario involving Jenny and Alex. Alex works in the sales department of a cosmetics company. Though the company has seen constant growth, Jenny, the sales manager, is not satisfied with the sales performance in some regions. To understand the problem, she asks Alex to perform a detailed analysis and give her an extensive report. In her meeting with Alex, Jenny talks about her growing concern about the poor performance of some of the regions. Here's what they discuss.
Alex, some of our regions are not doing well. I am not too sure what could possibly be the problem.
Yes, Jenny, I understand. The performance of those regions will quite likely impact our company's overall performance later.
Can you perform a detailed analysis and give me an extensive report?
Yes, Jenny, I will certainly look into this and prepare a region-wise detailed report. To execute this detailed analysis, Alex decides to use a data reporting tool. He learns about Tableau interface, which is not only useful for quickly visualizing trends in data, but also efficient for connecting a variety of data sources and mapping cities or regions and their associated data. With the help of Tableau, he can easily gather the data he wants. Alex is new to Tableau. Therefore, he has been asked to familiarize himself with the Tableau desktop interface. So, let's begin by introducing Tableau's interface. In this lesson, you will be able to define the terminologies for application, view, and data, describe fields in the data window and fields on shelves, and list the visual cues for fields. Let's understand application terminology and definitions used in Tableau interface. Begin by opening the application. You can open the Tableau in 4 different ways. Double-click the Tableau icon on your desktop. Do not worry if you can't find the icon. Let's go to Start Programs, All Programs, locate and select Tableau. You can double-click a sample workbook or a bookmark file. You can also drag a data source file onto the Tableau icon or the application window. To close the application, you simply click the Close icon or go to File menu and select Exit. Page in Tableau Desktop is a central location from where you can connect to your data, access most recently used workbooks, explore content produced by the Tableau community, connect to a variety of sources including flat files, databases, and web services using Connect to Data. Open the most recent workbooks or use some sample workbooks if you don't have data to work with. Discover some training options offered by Tableau. Don't forget to check out the Viz of the Week section. It's a great way to see what other people are doing and learn great tips and tricks. To connect to your data, click Connect. Your data can be as simple as a Microsoft Excel workbook or as elaborate as a SQL Server or Oracle data warehouse. The data source page is used for making changes to the Tableau data sources. Tableau takes you to the data source page after you establish the initial connection to your data. Even if you're on the workbook, you can still access the data source page by clicking the Data Source tab from any location in the workbook. Now, if you notice, the data source page consists of 4 main areas: Left pane, Join area, Preview area, and Metadata area. The left pane on the data source page displays the data that you have connected to. The warehouse table displays the tables present in the data source. For file-based data, or flat files, which is a plain text or a binary file, the left pane might display the file name and the worksheets in the file. And for relational data, which is SQL, it displays the server, the database, and the tables in the database. But that is not the case with cube data. It does not display for cube data. A cube data can be defined as a multi-dimensional table combined from different data sources. This is the join area where you can drag one or more tables to set up your Tableau data source. When connected to cube data, it displays the available catalog or queries and cubes to select from. Metadata area displays the fields as rows to quickly examine the structure of your data source. Depending on the type of data, you can click the Metadata Area button to navigate to the metadata area. It displays My Fields as rows so that you can examine the structure and consider factors like renaming or, say, hiding multiple fields that aren't required. The Preview pane gives you a quick view of the data and allows general modification. You can make use of the Preview area to review the fields and the first 10,000 rows of your data. You can hide or rename a field or change the data type as well.